magiliw, peles ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilaghang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na luwan at ipagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Directors Academic Excellence Awardees for the school year 2020 to 2021. Grade 7. Dauz Shola Nunki C., daughter of Mr. Laverne Dauz and Dr. Maria Concepcion Dauz. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Proficiency Awards. Best in Mathematics and Computer. Marzo Danasel Fiona L., daughter of Mr. Dante Marzo and Mrs. Maricel Marzo. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Mecos Rain Angela S., daughter of Mr. Arnel Mecos and Mrs. Evangeline Mecos. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Obilie Peter Ivan Andre F., son of Mr. Virgilio Obilie and Mrs. Veronica Obilie. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Proficiency Awards. Best in Filipino, Science, Values Education, and MAPE. Rivera Mariel Jam V., daughter of Mr. Noel Rivera and Mrs. Alma Rivera. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Proficiency Awards. Best in English and Araling Panlipunan. Binaso Yuri Gerald C., son of Mr. Jerry Binaso and Mrs. Femari Binaso. Citation in Culture and Arts. Special Award in the Mobile Photography Contest. First place, entitled Linnao, in celebration of the National Children's Month, last November 27, 2020 at Lorma Colleges. Dumuk Jayona Perf G., daughter of Mr. Juan Perfecto Dumuk and Mrs. Maria Jerame Dumuk. Special Awardee, Class Leader, Grade 7 Descartes. Manuel Arkin S., son of Mr. Froilan Manuel and Mrs. Novella Manuel. Special Awardee, Class Leader, Grade 7 Pascal. Directors Academic Excellence Awardees for the school year 2020-2021. Grade 8. Navor Francine Sofia M., daughter of Engineer Hector Navor and Mrs. Celeste Navor. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Noskal Cara Dayan B., daughter of Dr. Arvin Noskal and Mrs. Carmela Noskal. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Proficiency Award, Best in English. Special Awardee, Class Leader, Grade 8 Newton. Anya Jare James B., son of Engineer Jackson Anya and Mrs. Richelle Anya. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Proficiency Award, Best in Science, Social Studies, and MAPE. Pagaduan Rhea Ann P., daughter of Engineer Raul Pagaduan and Mrs. Eileen Pagaduan. Directors Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Proficiency Award, Best in Filipino, Mathematics, and Values Education. Special Awardee, Class Leader, Grade 8 Einstein. Soilon Mel Chrislyn V., daughter of Engineer Melchor Soilon and Mrs. Lorna Soilon, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Carilla Elisha Love C., daughter of Engineer Benigno Carilla and Mrs. Fatima Carilla, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Dashego Neo Jean A., daughter of Dr. Nerino Dashego and Dr. Jacqueline Dashego, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Mecos Neil Evan S., son of Engineer Arnel Mecos and Mrs. Evangeline Mecos, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Palakay Samantha Crissy B., daughter of Mr. Edito Palakay and Mrs. Patria Palakay, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Villanueva Lay Jeline N., daughter of Mr. Jerome Villanueva and Mrs. Jebaline Villanueva, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Nachor Christian John F., son of Mr. Nelson Nachor and Mrs. Noraline Nachor, Proficiency Award, Best in ICT.
Director's Academic Excellence Awardees for the school year 2020 to 2021, Grade 9. Refuerzo Ariane Rebulido, the daughter of Mr. Enrico Refuerzo and attorney Arceli Perla Refuerzo, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors, Proficiency Award, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Class Leader, Grade 9, Marie Curie. Tan Chloe Denise C., the daughter of Mr. Wilson Tan and Mrs. Michelle Tan, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors, Proficiency Awards, Best in Filipino, English, Science, Mathematics, Values Education, and Research, Citation in Culture and Arts, Special Award in the 5th St. Mark's International Online Painting Competition, St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Janakpuri, New Delhi, India, November 2020. Aban Raymond Gabriel de Guzman, the son of Mr. Raymond Aban and Engineer Maria Joan Aban, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Bakagan Lexin Kim Baleras, the daughter of Mr. Lester Bakagan and Mrs. Criselda Bakagan, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Kadalig Phoebe Dwayne Claro, the daughter of Mr. Washington Kadalig and Mrs. Divina Kadalig, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors, Proficiency Award, Best in MAPE. Katbagan Audrey Bacani, the daughter of Mr. Gerardo Katbagan and Mrs. Emily Katbagan, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Diaz Kazia Cruel Ian Turalba, the daughter of Mr. Leonilo Arevalo and Mrs. Gian Carla Diaz, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Class Leader, Grade 9, Pierre Curie. Navor Francis Rafael Maranon, the son of Mr. Hector Navor and Mrs. Celeste Navor, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Palaruan Chantal Micaela Sia, the daughter of Mr. Micael Palaruan and Mrs. Christine Claire Palaruan, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Serrano Jan Sofia Rano, the daughter of Mr. Roderick Serrano and Mrs. Leia Fe Serrano, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Tan Vannery Michaela Lim, the daughter of Mr. Henry Tan and Annabelle Tan, Director's Academic Excellence Awardee, with honors. Congratulations, achievers!
Ilalim